up and go straight like that. Now we're down to the last part. So what you're going to do, James, is you're going to come in and you're going to go right like this. You're going to do the same thing over here.
No, it's not good. Yummy.
Well, you're going to remove that front part of skin from the body of the fish. You're going to cut right across there. So go ahead and do that.
I'm gonna trout because they're mild.
No.
Dude,
You
trout
want
don't taste like
to
fish.
go in like this. Okay?
What? No.
You know your stuff. I appreciate that.
Trout don't taste like fish.
Don't be a wuss now. You got to cut it. You got to cut it. Okay.
Yeah,
He's already dead. He's not feeling anything.
Now you really need to
I'm
cut that
so
little
separate.
piece. So
The
let's
guts
do
are
it.
coming out.
Dude, my
The
blood
guts
is
are coming.
There you go. Okay, now, may I have the garbage bag?
Yeah, I know. Why
Listen,
Watch carefully. This is the funnest part.
Yay!
This is the funnest part.
So what you do is you put, look at, put your thumb
Yep, this is part.
all the way down against the backbone and stick your finger down his throat and pull. And if you're really lucky, you get the swim bladder with air in it. All right. So that's that. Now, James, look. See all that blood?
Wait till you have to do that in biology
That
in high
would be
school.
like your heart.
With a frog.
Except for
frog.
he has a heart that actually
And an
moves it.
earthworm.
But all the blood in his body is collected along the backbone. Look at that meat. That is right.
How can this be marinated? It's killing animals.
This is perfect breakfast food. You take this, you go right down the back,
And luckily he doesn't.
and then you come in here and you make a real mess. You take your finger. Yep. See.
Get it with your thumb.
Watch. Listen to what he's doing. This is what he's saying.
Just get it
We
with
need
your
more
thumb.
water here, Blake. I need more water.
You guys.
The idea is you get all the blood out.
You get all the blood out.
Just get all the blood out.
And the reason you do that is twofold. If you're going to freeze the fish and you leave the blood in there and you cook the fish, chances are you're going to get sick. It's not a guaranteed thing, but it's just not healthy. So make sure you get all the blood out of there. Man, boy, that is beautiful. Okay, see that area right there? Use the tip of the blade. Yeah, just keep moving the water. And make it cold water, Blake.
Cold water.
Okay. And did I get you in the face? We're fishing. You never seen guys who work in Alaska, have you? Okay, go ahead, finish. Get him clean.
Elizabeth, I like that the color is red. It matches the blood.
We're going to need knives.
Dad, what did you say? Dad, what did you say?
Make sure and get it out of those 5 little holes and face it back. I guess we could get another gut bucket.
Yay! Go bucket!
You are a god.
That's what he's talking about.
All right, we need
There's
to
still a little blood out here.
I already killed one hornet this morning, so.
Good job, Blake. Get one more.
That makes a long watermelon. Loading with it.
You stick a knife through 10. You're not gonna like it when you actually do it.
You got it?
Enjoy it.